everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thanks for joining me for Try It Out Tuesday. Today I wanted to share a quick and easy card. We're using a few items I picked up that are all different companies, but I thought they were super fun. With Father's Day around the corner, I thought we'd make a Father's Day card. I have the 6x6 paper pad called Dino-mite. Now this is kind of kid themed. I already thumbed through it, picked out my pattern papers, but I thought the pattern papers in here matched the stickers that I have beautifully. These stickers are from a little birdie and they're pretty inexpensive. There's a little 2-layer to them. Let me show you. But I thought they were adorable. And you could probably even use one of these as a template to recreate them. But they're dimensional stickers, and they have foam tape behind them. And you can see they're not too bulky, but I thought they would look cute on a mini Slimline card, just the way they are. So we're going to use these stickers with the Dino-mite paper pad. I already picked papers out. Let me show you. I have 4 of them. And even though they're kind of kid themed, there's actually a lot of cute little sentiments in here. There was one in here that I was just tickled about. Let me show you it real fast. That I thought, well, this would make a card not just for a kid, but for anybody. But how about lava is all you need? I thought that was so cute. That could be for anybody. But cute little paper pad. It's the Dino-mite Echo Park paper pad. And then while I was doing a little browsing and shopping, I picked up some cards and envelope. This is the Happy Healing Assortment. But all they are cards and envelopes that coordinate. And I thought, well, these envelopes are some of them are super fun. Some of them are typical, like this yellow one. But you have a coordinating card base. This is an A2. You have a red one that's the same. We could actually probably not use that one today. But look at this one. This is a card base. You open this way, and it has a little flap. I thought about using this one on my card today. I don't know. We'll see. I think the colors I want a little bit lighter. We have a Slimline, and I thought this one would go really good with my quick and easy theme. Okay, and then we have a pink card base. Look how it opens. So cute. These peel off really easy. Just lift up. I'm thinking they can peel up real easy. Yeah. If you want to remove it, it does leave a little bit of a mark, but this is a 3 and maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4 3/4 inch by 4 3/4 inch square. And we have this one, looks like a 5x7. 1, 2, 3, 4.5 by 6 1/4. So not quite a 5x7, but look how pretty the scalloped edge is. And the envelopes are just pre-made for you. And those are all of them. How many are in here? There's 6 cards and 6 envelopes. So I picked it up. The price point on them must have been good, because otherwise I would make my own. So I'll list everything down below. Let's jump in and make some quick and easy cards. Is my camera not focusing? And again, I think I'm going to use the Slimline. First, I really like this plaid, so I'm just going to mark it rather than measure it with a pencil. And I'll bring in my paper trimmer, and we are going to trim this real fast. Just using glue. I'm going to tack it down to the front of my card base. Now, after we have this adhered, we have these 3 pattern papers that are all kind of tone on tones. I'm going to use my scissors. Actually, let's do the paper trimmer. I'm going to use my paper trimmer, and we will trim down some strips. 3/4 inch strips. So let's stack all these 3 together. We'll go ahead and take these. I'm also going to take a piece of white cardstock, and I'm going to be using this die set here. This is the bunch of borders from Spellbinders. I like the stars in this set. I actually like the banner too, but I don't want it to be drowned out. I'm going to go ahead and bring in my scouts. It's so cute. And we're going to go ahead and just die cut a border of stars. You know, the scout is super fun, but you know what? And it's so lightweight, you have to kind of hold it down. Sorry about the shaky camera when you run it through, because it is so lightweight. But I like it. Now we have some stars for our backgrounds. And then I'm going to take another piece of white cardstock and I'm going to stamp a greeting. Now I'm going to use this stamp set for my greeting today, but if you have a dad die or a dad stamp, you can use that for the card. I wanted something that's a little more universal that I can give to my brother-in-law or something for Father's Day. So I thought this one would work great. This is the All-Star Sentiments, and I thought "You're the best around" would be good for my card today. So I'm just going to take this. I better bring in my stamping positioner, because me and my stamping on, when I stamp these thinner sentiments, for some reason I cannot, I am heavy-handed, and one side will be thicker than the other. So I am grateful for the stamping positioner. So you're the best around. I think I have a die that I can use to cut this out. This little scout has the universal cutting plates. And what I did was tape mine together. Okay, we'll put that there. I tape my plates together. I did that, the tape's removable, but I did that because sometimes I know in my Platinum 6, I warped that thinner plate, plate B, and so taping them together just keeps it easier for me. And I know Spellbinders comes out with some Scout embossing folders, like the one that came with the machine. Then, I can always remove the tape. Let's go ahead and trim off this. Okay, let's take our pattern paper, and I'm going to layer them at an angle on my card here, with the stars maybe on the bottom. Okay, I'm going to take my striped paper and I'm going to use one of my rectangle dies here, and I'm going to cut out a panel. I'm also going to cut out a panel with vellum that is slightly larger. I'm going to mat my vellum with my stripe paper together. Let's adhere this right down the middle. Okay, and then I die cut out one more of my stars, and then I'm going to add some glue behind here, and I'm going to go over the stars that we already added. I want these to be in the foreground, so we'll just go right over that, and I'm going to layer this right across that same color, kind of continuing the pattern. Okay, now we get to add our little, I just think they're so cute, our little shirts. We have actually 2 of these, and I'm just going to crisscross them here. And that is all there is to that card today. I think it's going to go perfectly in our envelope. This is going to add it to our envelope. We can close it. Definitely not too bulky. And that will finish off my card project today. I will see you real soon for another card making project. Thanks so much for joining me. Everything that I used today will be listed down below. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.